strong and a vine. You're harsh and divine, like truths and a lie. But the tail end's not here. I have nothing to fear, for my love is yellow, forgiving and hollow. And the bright emptiness in a room full of heads is a cruel mistress. I feel this unrest, that nest of hollowness, for I have nowhere to go and I'm cold, and I feel so lonely, yeah. There's a better place than this, emptiness, and I'm so lonely, yeah. There's a better place than this, emptiness, yeah, yeah, yeah. तूने मेरे जाना कभी नहीं जाना, इश्क मेरा दर्द मेरा है। तूने मेरे जाना कभी नहीं जाना, इश्क मेरा दर्द मेरा, आशिक तेरा। भीड़ में खोया रहता है जाने जहाँ, पूछो तो इतना कहता है, तेरा feel so lonely, yeah. There's a better place than this, emptiness, and I'm so lonely, yeah. There's a better place than this, emptiness, yeah, yeah, yeah. Crawling in my skin, these wounds they will not heal. Fear is how I fall, confusing what is real. There's something inside me that pulls beneath the surface, consuming, confusing. This lack of self-control I fear is never ending, controlling. I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in.
Not a sense of confidence, I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure to take.
I felt this way before, so insecure. Crawling in my skin, these wounds they will not heal. Against my will I stand beside my own reflection. It's haunting how I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in.
Not a sense of confidence, I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure.